Hey you all, once again welcome back to my channel. How are you? Students, I hope you all are doing well and you all are watching my video lessons regularly. Yes students? So students, let's begin with our today's video lesson. But before beginning with the video lesson, you have to do three things for me. You have to like the video, you have to subscribe to my channel so that you will be staying updated, and you have to share the video lessons with your friends and classmates. Alright, so let's get started. So students, in the recent video lesson, we have almost completed the chapter and we have discussed even the question answers of the chapter, right? So in today's video lesson, we will be discussing the two questions which I have given you for homework, right? So today, I'll be discussing question number 6 and question number 7. I hope you people have tried to do that by yourself. Yes? Were you able to find out the answer? So now, just to help you people, I'll be discussing the answers quickly, okay? So let's have a look on this question number 6 now. So students, question number 6 says, they had evidently been told everything. They, however, did not mention the subject, neither did we. Discuss why. Students, first of all, it's very important to understand that when this dialogue appeared in the story, okay? So this sentence came towards the end of the story, okay? And what does the statement means? Here, this statement means that when the narrator was surprised to know that nobody has entered in the room and nobody has even tempered the door, then also the door flew open, okay? So now he couldn't discuss all these things again and again with the host, okay? So we have to find out what was the reason for that, okay? So first we will try to understand that here pronoun they has been used for the host, okay? It was used for the old couple. So students, we need to understand that at last they didn't mention anything to the narrator. The host, the old couple, they didn't even take much interest in solving the mystery. Why do you think so that this has happened? Because they didn't want that people should stop visiting their residence. Are you understanding? These people, they were old, okay? And after listening to the haunted stories, people will stop visiting to their residence. Are you understanding this? And they didn't want this, right? They were old and the only mode of survival was this suburban residence. So this was the reason that why they haven't taken much interest in solving the mystery with the narrator, right? Now let's see question number 7. The old couple in the story seems to respect and believe in the supernatural occurrences that take place at their residence. So what were the supernatural occurrences? Sometimes wooden doors were getting misplaced, okay, and sometimes there were rumors that might be in the room there must be some ghost, right? So question number A says, would you call them superstitious? Can we say that the old couple in the story, they were superstitious? Now students, to find out this answer, first of all, it's very important for us to understand the meaning of superstitions, okay? We should know what are superstitions. So do you know what is it? See, superstitions means an irrational belief in supernatural influences, okay? And basically these supernatural influences leads to good or bad luck. So people often associate superstitions with good luck or bad luck, that if you will not follow this custom, something bad will happen to you, right? Or if you will follow this, you will bring good luck in your life, you will be fortunate, right? So students, in India, we have different superstitions. I'll be only discussing one or two with you. So you might have noticed that there is one superstition that on Thursday, women shouldn't wash their hair. If they will do so, what will happen? It will bring bad luck to their family. Okay, so this is one of the superstitions in India. Okay. Another one is that if you are walking somewhere and any cat cross your way, okay, that means something bad is going to happen in your life, right? So this is also one of the superstitions, right? So it happens in India, right? So these are some superstitions. Now let's see question number B. Do you think superstition is healthy? Why? Why not? Now students, they are asking your opinion. Do you really think that superstitions are healthy? So what can we say? We can say that superstitions are not healthy. They aren't good because they destroy the atmosphere of the family, right? By having different assumptions and false beliefs, okay? It ruins the entire environment of the family. So superstitions aren't healthy, okay? Understood? Now let's quickly see the last question. So students, let's see C part. If you had been in their place, how would you have acted? So they are asking that if you had been in their place means the old couple's place, how would you have acted? What would be your reaction? So we can simply say that if we had been at their place, okay, we would have tried to help the narrator and his friends in solving the hidden mystery, no matter what, okay? Or any other idea which comes to your mind, you can write your own opinion as well, okay? So students, I hope that all these answers are clear to you all, and now you would be able to write your answers by yourself. Yes, because I have already discussed the homework question as well. Clear? So students, now we have discussed all the important question answers of the story, okay? We have completed the chapter successfully. So I would like to request you all that kindly go through the video lessons carefully, listen to the video lectures twice to understand the content well, okay? Read the chapter by yourself, and please make sure that these question answers should be done in your English Fair register, okay? Then please make sure that you would be able to understand word meanings as well, okay? So positively do that in your English Fair register. And for further queries, what you have to do? You have to leave your comment in the comment box below. Okay students? So students, that's it for today's class. I hope you have understood the content well. So now I'll meet you all in the next video lesson. Till then, you take care of yourselves and you keep on learning. And yes students, before going, make sure you hit the like button, you subscribe to my channel, and you share my video lessons with your friends and classmates. Alright? Bye-bye. Take care.